Hello, everybody. You are on Code on Puffic channel. We are getting started to learn about logging module in next several episodes. So be patient and watch to the end. Each one will be useful and interesting. Before we start, please give a like to this episode so more people can see it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. Let's go. Main information. This module defines functions and classes which implement a flexible event logging system for applications and libraries. The basic classes defined by the module, together with their functions, are listed below. Loggers expose the interface that application code directly uses. Handlers send the log records, created by loggers, to the appropriate destination. Filters provide a finer-grained facility for determining which log records to output. Formatters specify the layout of log records in the final output. Today we will deep into logger class of the module. Note that loggers should never be instantiated directly, but always through the module level function logging.Logger with name attribute. Loggers have the following attributes and methods. Set level is used for setting logging level. There are all logging levels in the table. Logging messages which are less severe than level will be ignored. When a logger is created, the level is set to noteset. Is enabled for method, indicates if a message of severity level would be processed by this logger. Get effective level method indicates the effective level for this logger. If a value other than noteset has been set using set level, it is returned. Otherwise, the hierarchy is traversed towards the root until a value other than noteset is found, and that value is returned. GetChild method returns a logger which is a descendant to this logger, as determined by the suffix. Debug, info, warning, error, critical, are methods that print messages by its level. By default only messages from warning are written in console. We can change that behavior by method basic config with level arg. These logs contains with level, logger, default root and log message. Log, logs a message with integer level on this logger. Exception, logs a message with level error on this logger. See examples and additional args and quarks. We can add and remove filters. For this we can overwrite the filter function in our own class that is inherited from logging filter class. List of all filters we can find by attribute filters. We can add and remove handlers. For example, let's look at the file handler. List of all handlers we can find by attribute handlers. Find color finds the caller's source file name and line number. Returns the file name, line number, function name and stack information as a 4-element tuple. Make log record. This is a factory method which can be overridden in subclasses to create specialized log record instances.